Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or hello if you're new. Today I am going on a date and I need to get ready because I still haven't gotten ready today. I just kind of put on clothes and went to work for a little bit. But I need to like actually put some makeup on and do my hair because I want to look all cute. So yeah, I just was like, why not film a little get ready with me date style, date version, date edition. Garrett and I are celebrating our 3 years today, so we're going to PF Chang's, which I'm so excited for. We only go there for like special occasions usually, and I miss the food so much. Anyways, then we're going to go to the movies. I have like an AMC gift card, so yeah, gift cards are great. And then afterwards, we're gonna go get some ice cream. You guys know I love ice cream, so. Anyways, enough blabbering on and on. Let's start to get ready because it's gonna be like time to go before I know it. The get ready with me date edition. I'm gonna put my microphone on my camera because I keep forgetting to do that every time I film. I filmed with it a few times, but I keep forgetting. So if my voice sounds different, then that's why. Alright guys, I am back. Let's get ready. So recently I've been using this rose water and some argan oil and this like natural soap to like cleanse my face and try and tone it. I feel like my face is like glowing a little bit more. I was hoping the acne would go down quicker. I also have a lot of hormones going right now, if you know what I mean. But I don't know, I do feel like my face is glowing a lot more, so we like that. We like when our skin glows. And I've heard that it is a really good like makeup setter, so I'm gonna spray it on at the end. It feels so good. I don't know why I can't talk. I was like, if you've watched me put on makeup before, you probably know that I'm not gonna put foundation on. I usually just put concealer, so we're gonna do that. I haven't actually put makeup on in a while because I've just been letting my skin kind of like air out. The concealer I'm using is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. It's in the color, I don't know. Just kidding, it's in the color Light Ivory. Just gonna put that on my blemishes. I usually leave my forehead like alone, but we're just gonna kind of put two lines. Beauty blender time. Just going to, of course, just blend that in. My mirror's right here, by the way. I mean, I'm guessing that you already guessed that, but just in case you didn't. I think I'm gonna pretty much do like what I've been doing for my everyday makeup look when I have been doing my makeup, with just like a little bit more darkness on the eyes, I think. I would say I do like a colored lip, but I just love nude lips. I don't know. Now I'm gonna add a little bit under my eye because I didn't really do that. Do I look like I'm more alive now? Now I'm going to kind of bake some of areas of my face, kind of powder some of the areas of my face with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. Looks like this. And it's translucent. This one's the extra coverage. I like to start out on my forehead. Now, take the beauty blender. I have a different beauty blender for my face powder, so like the two don't get really nasty, because I used to just have one that I did for like my concealer and my powder, but it got so gross. So I'm gonna go under the eyes. My feet are starting to fall asleep. Now I'm going to go onto my nose. Just go down a little bit on my chin. I'm also powdering this part just because I just like nared this, if you know what that is. I just took my hair off. So now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I recently got the Rimmel London Brow This Way Brow Styling Gel. Oh, has argan oil in it. It's in the color dark brown, but really it's not that dark. I've never really had a brow gel before, so this is my first experience with them. As you guys know, I usually like filled mine in with black eyeliner, like the gel eyeliner. I like to take like the excess off because there's always so much on the brush. And now I'm just going to brush my eyebrows upward. You gotta be careful with this stuff because if it doesn't dry, it just like gets all over you and it comes off. Let's move on to some contour. The order that I do things in is really random nowadays, but that's okay. So we're gonna do some contour. I have the Maybelline New York Master Contour Palette in the color Light to Medium. Oh, my foot is asleep. Help. I've been really liking to put contour on lately. It just gives your face that like extra bump up, you know? Now I'm gonna bring the contour up onto my forehead a little bit. Now I'm gonna bring it down to my chin. But now I'm gonna go back to my face powder and I am just going to bake this part. I got inspired to do this from like Kylie Jenner's, was it Vogue? I don't know, she did like a makeup tutorial and her cheekbones looked great. Just gonna leave that sitting there for a little bit. Everything just moved, so I'm sorry if it's like different now. Okay, next up is the eyes. I'm gonna use my Naked 2 palette because I haven't used that in a while, surprisingly. I've been using this Naked Basics a lot, but we're gonna go with the regular Naked palette. I don't know what I'm gonna do, just wing it. Take the Foxy as the base. Now, Suspect. This is probably like the same look that I do with this palette always. I'm gonna go back to the Naked Basics palette. I'm gonna take a little bit of Naked 2, put it on the outer corner. Same on this side. If you guys can tell, I'm really into like the browns and the tans, taupe colors. Now a little bit of faint, even though it's like almost halfway gone. But not because I've used it all, just because it fell out. I'm gonna take some of Venus mixed with Foxy, put it on my brow bone. And I think I'm gonna go back to my Naked 2 palette and grab Booty Call, nah, Verve. I'm gonna do Verve. A little bit of Verve. Alright, so that is my eye look. It's, again, like I told you, I like the browns and the taupes and the lighter colors, so yeah. Now one of my favorite parts, mascara. First we're gonna start with this one, which you've seen in a video. Pretty sure it's CoverGirl. The label's rubbed off, but this is just kind of to act as a base so that I can curl my lashes before applying the like real Get It eyelash mascara. I don't know what I'm saying. As that takes a minute, I'm just going to kind of brush off the bake that I have on, kind of make sure things are all nice and blended in. Now my eyelash curler, and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Now we're going to take the Almay Extreme Length Mascara, color black. This is another product that I got recently with that concealer and stuff. Alright, so I know some people don't like the bottom eyelash look with mascara, but I do, so I'm gonna put some on the bottom now. I feel like it just makes my eyes like pop more, you know? Eyelashes are complete. I just love when you get mascara on because to me it feels like the look is so much more complete. Okay, so I think we're down to like 2 more things on my face. Yeah. highlighter. And my highlighter is from Wet n Wild. It is in the color Precious Petals. Oh, I just stuck my finger in it. That's okay. This is the last new product that I have gotten recently, and I actually really like this highlighter. I didn't know how it would be, but it actually looks pretty nice. Yeah, you see that? A little bit on the tip, my nose, and on the bridge. Do above my lip, and then a little bit on the chin. Now the last part of my face is the lips. First, chapstick. I always use a different kind. This one's Baby Lips, and this one's pretty like moisturizing, so I just kind of dab it on there. This is a NYX lip liner in the color Nude Beige. It is my favorite color. I wish I had a whole bag of these because I run out and just want more. Now again, one of my favorite lipsticks. This is from L'Oreal Paris, and it is in the color Fairest Nude. One of my favorites. As you can tell, there's like none left. If you can see that, there's none left really. I have another one though. It's okay. I really just put this in the center of my lips. Put them together. So I am going to do my hair now. I'm not going to show you guys. I'm just gonna come back and my hair is gonna be done because I think I'm gonna do a video on it because it's like kind of a Kardashian inspired hairstyle that I see them wearing a lot. So yeah, do the old fashioned snapperoo and then my hair will be done. Here's my hair all done though, and my face is done, and now I just need to get dressed. So I think I know what I'm wearing. Let's find out. Let's see what I'm gonna wear. Of course I forgot to spray this on, so we're just going to try and do that with one hand. We're gonna use it as a makeup setting spray and see what happens throughout the day. Because I heard that this is good setting spray stuff, so. It feels so good, like, now my face is moist. I'm sorry if you hate that word. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be wearing, just a black bodysuit. It like buttons down almost all the way, and then some dark blue high-waisted shorts. These are from my Forever 21 haul, actually. I have 2 silver pieces of jewelry. One says Strength. Shout out to Marissa for this gift. And the other one is a bracelet that says, "You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think." And I got that from Garrett's mom, so shout out to her too. And then the last thing, my Fila white shoes, because I've been obsessed with these. Alrighty, here is what I'm wearing. Ta-da! I just wanted to bring this in case I get cold, because I probably will. Knowing me. It's pretty chill, but really cute, especially adding the jewelry. This bodysuit, I think, is from Forever 21. This is old. Probably, I think it's from Aeropostale. I already told you these are from my Forever 21 haul. And my shoes, got a shoe carnival. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing for my date. Alrighty guys, so this is my final look. And you already saw my outfit, so there was that. But I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me on my little date edition of Get Ready With Me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever it is where you live. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.